Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle. As y'all can already see, this is like a little sneak peek of it. But this hairstyle took me less than 10 minutes. This video was super impromptu and I wasn't planning on filming it. So it is all around, all over the place a little bit. So please bear with me. But if you wanna see how I went from this to this in less than 15 minutes, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be kind of straight to the point. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or what yet, but today I have like less than 30 minutes and I need to do something to my hair because I have class. If you don't know, I'm a college student and I'm doing my online class today, and I woke up kind of late, so I don't have time to do my hair. And my hair, it's like going on like day like 10, 11, 12, one of those, can't remember. So I just need to do something simple and cute, and it's going to be online, but I need to show my face in class. So I decided, why not film y'all a little tutorial? It is a little last minute because I got like I said, less than like 20 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna go get right straight into it. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer, y'all, so y'all can see what's going on. So today I don't have like a picture in my head, but I've done this style before, but I want to show it to y'all. So this is my hair is looking like, but the problem for me is just the front. So I'm gonna take the front out and show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, so this is what the front of my hair is looking like. You can see there's like no real like curl up in the front a lot. I mean, there's some, but it's there. So what I want to do is do like a flat twist or braid in the front and just have it out in the back. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I'm so short on time. And yeah, let me just take all these out. And I'm going pretty fast because I'm on a time crunch, like I said. And y'all, it's like day 10, 11, 12 on my hair. And I just need to get something done because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. So I don't want to do anything like really extra. Okay, so this is my hair. This is my hair. This is what it looks like. And I'm sorry if I'm being like real impromptu and not formal with y'all, but I'm trying to get this done because I have class, like I said. So first thing that I am going to do is, I think I'm going to keep my part. Because originally my hair, I'll insert a picture with my hair right here. I'll insert a picture of how I've been wearing my hair these past couple days. So usually it's like down like this and like it's all big and like wash and go curly state or whatever. But I cannot do that no more because it just don't look right. Do I want a middle part? I am not sure. I think I'm doing the middle part because y'all already see me doing it. And I think I just want to twist them down. So first I'm just parting the front of my hair up in the middle. Now this isn't going to be the straightest because like I said, I'm on a time crunch. So not going to be all precise. This is not a middle part, Jesus. I don't know why I just thought to record this video. Wash and goes are not easy to like part off at all. I'm gonna take the end of my edge brush and I'm gonna try to make it as straight as possible. Ooh, and I have a tender spot in the middle of my head, so this is hurting. It's hurting, okay. So what I'm gonna do, roughly part or take sections right here on the side of my head. And usually I wouldn't be so like rough. I'm not being rough, but I'm not being as gentle as I usually am. This is the rough part. So I'm gonna take this. This is the rough part. And I'm gonna section this off. Section this off, and I'm gonna do this on the same side. I'm gonna try to make it even as possible. Okay, so I've sectioned these parts. I only have these in the front, and they're not the same, but they're gonna look like it today. So what I'm gonna do is, I have some leave-in conditioner here. This is the Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-in Conditioner with aloe vera and coconut oil. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. Spray leave-ins, probably my only favorite spray. But I'm just gonna spray, especially my ends, because they need it. And this is just gonna be a quick and easy style that I can do. It's not gonna take me any time, because right now I have 10 minutes. So usually I would braid, but since I'm low on time, I think I'm going to twist. So I'm just gonna do a flat twist. And I'm gonna work, and I'm gonna twist my hair going towards my face. And if you don't know how to do a flat twist, there are plenty and plenty of videos on YouTube already. If you'd like me to make a video, then just let me know. But this ain't that video, okay? And I do have rubber bands, but I'm not gonna put the rubber bands on. Now, this is what it's looking like, right? But I have bobby pins. And I just, hair. And I'm just going to clip that down in there. I'm gonna put two, even though I'm not really going out of the room, but I'm gonna put two just in case they decide to like plop while I'm in class. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing, I'm gonna take the Texture ID leave-in, and I'm really focusing on my ends, but I am gonna spray some on my hair as well. And this kind of is gonna make it more easy for me to separate the pieces as I twist. Now usually I apply water and leave-in, but this leave-in is really moisturizing, so I don't have to apply water. And like I said, I'm washing my hair tomorrow, so it's all good. And again, I am going to twist going towards my face. And I am twisting kind of tight. The tighter, the better, but don't twist as tight or like you're pulling your hair out. Don't do that. And same for this, I'm gonna take my bobby pins and I'm going to clip, not clip, but bobby pins them into my hair. Okay. I'm gonna put one more. So this one is a little puffy. So I'm just gonna fluff my hair out. Now really I could just wear it like this, but I'm gonna take the pins out and I'm gonna repin them so it doesn't look so weird. I'm gonna pin it like inside my hair, and this gives the effect that you can't see the twist. You see how you really can't see it? That's like that, okay? And I'm gonna do the other side. And this is what my hair is looking like. Now, it's not the cutest thing on earth, but it is gonna do. And of course you could do your edges, but I don't have time to do my edges. You could do your edges with like some Eco Styler or like edge booster or something. You could do your edges and fix it up. It is a couple hours later, and like I told y'all earlier, I was in a rush to do things because I had to get to class and I had to be a scholar, you know. I had to do all that. So I fixed my hair up and I did my edges. And I fixed it a little bit. I stretched it a little bit so it looks really, really good. I really like this. Again, this is like a quick style if you're looking to do something with less than 10 minutes. And really, I feel like I could have did it in like 5 or 6, but my hair was a little tangled, so I was being nice. So if your hair is not as tangled and you just don't like your hair that day or something, you could still do this. So yeah, I just want to come on here and show y'all that I did my edges, so you could still do edges and everything like that. I have a video going in the background. I just realized, oh my god. But yeah, y'all, back to the video. I finished with 5 minutes to spare. 5 minutes to spare, and this looks really cute. But yeah, y'all, this was like super impromptu. I wasn't planning to film this, and next time I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more organized because I was like really going fast. But this is the video, y'all.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.
Do y'all like my hair? Have y'all tried this style before? And to switch it up, it'll take a little bit more time, but you can do braids in the front instead of twists, but twists don't take as much time. But yeah, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed my video. Like I said, I had to get to class, so I will see y'all in my next video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave today if you enjoyed yourself, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Love you.